Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Happy? Okay. So, dear children, as we all know, we have started chapter number 3, the Northern Plains, right? In that, we saw the overview of Northern Plains and the Satluj River Basin, right? Today, we will learn about Ganga River Basin and Brahmaputra River Basin. Okay? What you have to do right now? Go grab your textbook. Fine, because it will help you in making notes. Right? So, shall we begin? Okay, let's go and start with the part 2.
Chapter number 3. The Northern Plains. The Ganga River Basin. The Ganga Basin
Listen
lies to the
properly.
east of the Satluj Basin. Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal lie in this basin. The Ganga River is an important river system in India. It is also regarded as a holy river by the Hindus. It originates from the Gangotri Glacier. The Yamuna is the main tributary of River Ganga. It is born from a glacier called Yamunotri. It joins the Ganga at
See
Allahabad.
the whole
The place
distance.
where they
Okay?
meet is called Sangam.
See the basin.
Other tributaries like the Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak, and the Kosi also originate in the Himalayas and join the Ganga basin. Rivers like Chambal, Betwa, and Son also join the Ganga from the southern side. The Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar in Uttarakhand and flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal.
You have to remember the places, okay? You have to learn them very nicely and thoroughly. Right, dear children? Okay, let's move
In
on.
West Bengal, the river is divided into two branches. One of its branches, the Hooghly River, flows through the city of Kolkata. The other branch, called
Second
Padma,
branch,
flows through
Padma.
Bangladesh and then enters the sea. On reaching West Bengal, the river slows down as it is full of sediments and silt.
What is silt? And what is alluvial? Yes, the most fertile soil, which is very beneficial for farming. Right? Let's move on.
It is so heavy that it starts depositing sediments. These deposits form triangular islands of silt at the mouth of the river. This is known as delta.
You remember the meaning of delta? Very good, dear children. Next.
Eventually, many new streams are formed. These streams are known as distributaries. The delta of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra together form the world's largest delta, Sundarban Delta. The Ganga basin gets a lot of rainfall. A lot of rainfall and fine silt deposit make this area rich and very fertile. A number of crops are grown here like rice, wheat, jute and sugarcane.
See, all these crops are grown here, okay? And the soil here is very fertile. Next.
Again, this basin is also called the food bowl of India. Some important cities in this region are Haridwar, Agra, Delhi, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi and Kanpur. The Brahm
So, dear children, are you all clear with the Ganga River Basin? You have to remember that from where it comes, from where it is originated, कौन से places पर इनका पानी पहुंचता है. It is known as the Holy River of India, right? And then the tributaries, the distributaries of this river, you have to read it properly and you have to keep it in your mind, okay? Now we will start with Brahmaputra river basin. Okay, let's go.
Brahmaputra River Basin. The Brahmaputra Basin lies in Assam. The river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is known as Sangpo. It enters India from the east. It flows through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and enters Bangladesh. As mentioned earlier, the Brahmaputra and the Ganga together form the Sundarban Delta before falling into the Bay of Bengal.
Which delta Ganga and Brahmaputra form? Sundarban Delta. Dear children, this can come in your fill in the blanks also, right? Keep this in mind.
Bengal. This basin also receives a lot of rainfall, which causes floods. At the same time, overflowing rivers deposit alluvium, which makes the region extremely fertile. The main crops of this region are rice and jute.
Rice and jute are the main crops, okay?
Tea is grown on the slopes of the hills. The tea of this region is of very high quality and is exported to other countries. Life in the Satluj.
Dear children, are you clear with the Brahmaputra river basin? Okay, now let's see some main points which we have to keep in mind. Okay, let us see what we have. See, this is your textbook, right? And what I have done, मैंने आपके लिए main basic points जो हैं वो underline किए हैं so that you can keep it in your mind, you can read it carefully, and this will help you in scoring better and learning, right? So the places here, see, I'm moving my cursor and you have to read all these sentences because all these will help you. Okay, ये कुछ key words हैं, कुछ key sentences हैं जो आपकी help करेंगे. Okay, so Ganga basin lies in the east of the Satluj basin, right? Then वो कहाँ पर पानी उनका जाता है, कहाँ सप्लाई होता है? सो दिल्ली, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, झारखंड एंड वेस्ट बंगाल, राइट? देन it is known as the holy river of Hindus, and it is originated from Gangotri glacier. Okay, very important, Gangotri glacier. Then Yamuna is the main tributary of Ganga. Okay, and वो कौन से ग्लेशियर में से born हुआ है? From Yamunotri. Okay, keep this in your mind. Then Ganga joins at Allahabad. Okay, गंगा और यमुना दोनों कहाँ join होते हैं? इलाहाबाद में. Remember, see all these things, and जिस place पे वो मिलते हैं that is known as संगम. Okay, and उनके tributaries के नाम यहाँ पर हैं. Then और कौन से rivers हैं जो उन्हें join करते हैं? Everything is underlined over here. Okay, then गंगा कौन से plains में enter करता है? Haridwar in Uttarakhand, and then it flows to Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal, right? You have to underline it in your textbook as well. Fine. Then वेस्ट बंगाल में जैसे ही एंटर होते हैं उनके दो ब्रांचेस बन जाते हैं. द फर्स्ट ब्रांच इज नोन एज हुगली, राइट, एंड इट फ्लोज थ्रू द सिटी ऑफ कोलकाता. द सेकेंड ब्रांच इज नोन एज पद्म. वो बांग्लादेश से फ्लो करके इट एंटर्स इन द सी, राइट. देन वी नो द मीनिंग ऑफ डेल्टा, distributaries, and then the delta at Ganga and the Brahmaputra together forms the world's largest delta, and it is known as Sundarban Delta. Okay, see, you have to keep all these things in your mind, right? What do we have next? Then we have learned about the crops. कौन से crops यहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं? Rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, right? And this basin, the Ganga River Basin, is known as the food bowl of India, right? Then some important cities are Haridwar, Agra, Delhi, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi and Kanpur. Right? Here we are done with the Ganga river basin. Fine. And then comes the Brahmaputra river basin. Now, इसमें क्या है? The Brahmaputra river basin lies in Assam. Right? And ये कहाँ से originate हुआ है? From Tibet. See, here it is underlined. Can you see the cursor moving? Okay. And there it is known as Sangpo. Okay. The T in Sangpo is silent. Okay. So you have to keep the pronunciation also in your mind. Then it flows through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, then enters West Bengal. And we all know that Ganga and Brahmaputra together they form a delta which is known as Sundarban, right? And then let us see what is next. Now this river basin gets a lot of water, right? So बारिश ज़्यादा पड़ने की वजह से क्या होता है, यहाँ पे फ्लड्स भी आते हैं, राइट? बिकॉज ड्यू टू फ्लड्स एंड ड्यू टू हैवी रेनफॉल पानी जो है वो ओवरफ्लो हो जाता है. ओके एंड जैसे ही पानी ओवरफ्लो होता है वहाँ पे एल्यूमिनियम जो है दैट इज द मोस्ट फर्टाइल सॉइल, वो वहाँ पे फॉर्म होने लग जाता है विच इज एक्सट्रीमली फर्टाइल. एंड वहाँ पे क्रॉप्स कौन से हैं? राइस एंड ज्यूट. These are the main crops. Then tea is also grown on the slopes of the hills, right? And ये जो tea है, it is a very high quality tea. And बहुत सारी countries हमारे यहाँ से tea जो है वो अपने countries में import करते हैं. And we export the tea to them, right? Now this is a small homework for you. Okay? हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है होमवर्क में? We have to underline all these important points. Fine? And then we have to answer these questions given. Okay, this is your homework. The main tributary of river Ganga is? I will not tell you. The next one is the Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is known as? See, it is given somewhere up, okay, above. You have to search it. You have to read your notebook carefully and then you have to answer the questions, okay? Now, dear students, you have to solve this worksheet on the basis of our today's video lesson, okay? Let's go through the worksheet. Question number 1 is tick the correct answer. The question is given to you. You have been given 3 options as well. You have to choose the correct option and you have to tick mark it. The next one is question number 2. See, answer the following in one sentence. You have to write one sentence answers for the questions given below. Okay, I hope you all are clear with this. I will meet you in the next class with the further topics of this lesson. Fine? Till then, take good care of your health and keep on browsing things, keep on reading. It will help you a lot. Okay, dear children? Bye. God bless you.